If you're buying a home in Houston in 2026, this is not the market to just go wing it. Buyers have more leverage than they've had in the past couple years, but only if you know how to use it. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step playbook to help you actually win. I'm Drake Malone with the Houston Move. I'm a licensed real estate agent based in the Houston area. And in my last video, I broke down whether or not Houston is a buyer's market. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the current market conditions in places like Sugar Land, Richmond, Rosenberg, Fulshear, and Katy. Step 1. Understanding where the leverage actually is. First, we have to anchor the data. Across Greater Houston, we're sitting at around 4 to 5 months of inventory, and homes are averaging roughly 60 to 70 days on market. Now, that's a very different environment than a few years ago, when homes were selling in weeks and buyers had almost no negotiating power. When supply increases and urgency decreases, leverage shifts. But here's the key. Leverage isn't equal everywhere. In Sugar Land, certain neighborhoods under the mid-400s are still competitive. In Rosenberg or parts of Richmond where inventory is higher and homes are sitting longer, buyers have noticeably more flexibility. Leverage exists, but only if you know where to look. Step 2, get competitively pre-approved. Most buyers think pre-approval is enough. It isn't. Buyer A gets a basic pre-qualification. Buyer B gets fully underwritten, has funds verified, and knows their payment at multiple price points. In a balanced market, sellers still choose strength. When a seller sees a strong buyer, they're more open to negotiation because they feel confident the deal will actually close. Now, if you're shopping in areas like Katy or Sugar Land, where some price points still are moving quickly, strong financing makes all the difference. Prepared buyers negotiate from strength. Step 3, target listings strategically. Now, this is where the real edge is. Look for patterns, 60 days or more on market, multiple price reductions, cosmetic updates needed, homes competing with new construction in Fulshear or Richmond, higher price ranges in Katy. In Rosenberg, for example, I'm seeing more flexibility once a listing crosses that 60-day mark. But if a home in Sugar Land just hit the market and is updated and priced right, leverage disappears. Time on market tells a story. Step 4, structure the offer intelligently. In 2026, negotiation isn't all about price. Here's the 3 asks: purchase price, seller paid closing cost or rate buy down, repairs or credits. Here's an example. Instead of offering $380,000 on a $400,000 listing, sometimes it's smarter to offer $395,000 and ask for $10,000 in closing costs. Here's why. Sellers are often more flexible on concessions than headline price. And in this rate environment, lowering your monthly payment can matter more than shaving a few thousand off the purchase price. In this market, negotiation is layered. Step 5, know when to move fast. A buyer's market doesn't mean every home is negotiable. In Sugar Land, updated homes in strong school zones are still desired and moving quickly. In Katy, homes under certain price thresholds remain competitive. In Fulshear, some inventory homes are priced aggressively to move. Balance doesn't mean slow. If it's priced right, updated, and positioned well, you still need to move with confidence. Step 6, focus on total cost, not just price. This is where smart buyers separate themselves. Home A, $400,000, no concessions. Home B, $405,000, $12,000 in closing costs and rate buy down. Even though Home B costs more on paper, your monthly payment could be lower. In Fulshear especially, builder incentives change the math. Focus on payment stability, not headline price. Now here are some common buyer mistakes. I see buyers making 3 mistakes in 2026, waiting on perfect interest rates, over-negotiating strong listings, ignoring micro-market differences. Market conditions in Houston shift by neighborhood and price bracket. So how do you win as a buyer in Houston in 2026? Understand where leverage actually exists, be financially prepared, target the right listings, negotiate strategically, and know when to move fast. A buyer's market doesn't automatically create deals. Informed buyers create deals. If you'd like a breakdown specific to Sugar Land, Richmond, Rosenberg, Fulshear, or Katy, feel free to shoot me a DM, text, or an email, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through it. I'm Drake Malone, here to help you make the right Houston move.